Amir with another episode of our amazing program Meet the CEO, जिसका मकसद है पाकिस्तान के कामयाब तरीन CEOs को डिस्कवर करना और आपसे मिलवाना, so that you can learn from their success and the struggles behind their journey. Today we're going to meet Mr. Salim Ghori, CEO and founder of NetSol Technologies. He has been a pioneer of IT industry in Pakistan and fulfilled his vision of making NetSol global by making Pakistan prominent on the world map of IT. It's a pleasure to have you on our show. सबसे पहले I wanted to know कि आपकी जो जर्नी है वो कहाँ से शुरू हुई, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ का जो कह लें एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट था उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं।
कोई भी जर्नी फेजेस में होती है, आपकी लाइफ आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं बड़े आसानी से अपने। एक मेरी स्कूलिंग है, वो एक ऐसी ज़िंदगी है जहाँ पर सलीम ने कुछ ज़्यादा अचीव नहीं किया। सलीम वाज नॉट अ सीरियस स्टूडेंट एट दैट टाइम। बड़ा मुश्किल था सलीम को मैनेज करना कि मैं अपनी जो स्टडी है उसको सीरियस लूँ, तो वो एक फेज़ था। जैसे एज आई ग्रू अप कॉलेज एंड यूनिवर्सिटी, लाइफ चेंज फॉर मी। सो वो एक बच्चा जो बहुत नॉन सीरियस था सीरियस हो गया लाइफ में। और मेरी ज़िंदगी चेंज हुई जब मैं अपनी डिग्री कर रहा था, एंड मेरी डिग्री IT में नहीं थी।
What did you study?
I was studying petroleum and gas engineering.
Okay.
While I was doing my engineering, I was lucky to get a class where we have to learn a computer language. तो वो मेरा interaction मेरी ज़िंदगी change कर गया, change my life perspective के मुझे आगे क्या करना है। So finished my degree and then I decided to pursue computerization. How can I become a part of a computer system? तो मेरा वो phase है जो real जिसे आप journey कहती है,
सही,
जो मुझे यहाँ लेके आया। मैं खुद हैरान हो जाता हूँ कि किस तरह that young age मुझे I just felt कि computer one day will be very important in our life. ये मैं बात करूँ 42
You could foresee that
42 years ago, जब कंप्यूटर आपके डेस्क पे बड़ा होता था, डेस्क पे भी नहीं होता था, फ्लोर पे एक बड़ी मशीन होती थी। And amazingly at that moment I realized कि यार ये this machine is going to change our lives. So I adopted it. मैंने मशीन अडॉप्ट कर ली। तो ये मेरी सफ़र शुरुआत हुई उससे। ये मैं बात करूँ 1979 की, 42 years ago. Somehow I think nature आपको हेल्प करती है या आप खुद, आपकी ability to see. So that's my start of the journey. Computerization के अलावा मेरी जो जस्तुजी रही कुछ खुद करने की, यानी मैं खुद अपनी चीज़ें करता जाऊँ। जॉब किया मैंने, एक जॉब किया सिटी बैंक में किया। Didn't last long क्योंकि बेचैन थी मेरे बेचैनी कि ये काफ़ी नहीं मेरे लिए। तो मैं उससे निकला और ख़ुद अपनी बिजनेस शुरू कर दिया अपनी वेरी यंग एज में।
अच्छा।
फॉर श्योर आई फेल्ड।
अच्छा।
मेरे शुरू के वेंचर्स मैं स्टार्ट करता और कंप्यूटराइजेशन से ताल्लुक था उनका, और वो कुछ अर्से चलते हैं वो फेल हो जाते और मैं फिर बाज आता।
तो कैसे अपने आप को उसमें फिर मोटिवेटेड रखते थे कि 1 2 3 और फिर हाउ वुड यू जस्ट कीप गोइंग?
मेरा बिलीव ये रहा है कि वो सारे फेलियर की वजह से मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूँ। तो मेरे नज़दीक जो वो फॉल्स थी या वो फेलियर्स थे, एक्चुअली दे वर द वन गाइडिंग मी टू कम बैक टू पाकिस्तान एंड बिल्ड व्हाट आई हैव बिल्ड टुडे। एंड मोर आई फेल्ड, मोर स्टबर्न आई गॉट अबाउट माई करियर, अबाउट माई फ्यूचर। सो एक जगह से निकल के मैं दूसरी जगह गया, अल्टीमेटली आई एंड अप इन सिडनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया। एंड वहाँ से फिर एक चैप्टर शुरू हुआ मेरी लाइफ का, एक अच्छा स्टेबल चैप्टर जहाँ लाइफ वाज सक्सेसफुल, गुड लाइफ, फैमिली, इट्स अ गुड कंट्री, खूबसूरत मुल्क है, अच्छे लोग हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके पास हैं। स्टिल आई वाज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड। समहाउ all that stability was not in my personality. It's too stable, it's nothing. ठीक है, फाइनेंशियली आप कमा रहे हैं, you're earning. What are you achieving? यानी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? And to me, achievement is not about myself. Achievement is about कि what are you doing for others? यानी कुछ
The bigger picture.
किसी को और को आपसे फायदा है, उस वक्त नहीं था, क्योंकि उस वक्त तो मुझे फायदा था। इसका मतलब कुछ सेल्फ आपको चैलेंज करता है, यार ठीक है, are you here in this world because you're going to be stable and look after yourself, or there's some more you can do? सो जनाब ये तजस्सुस और ये उठा के मुझे पाकिस्तान ले आया।
As you told that you were in Australia, settled job है, सब कुछ stable चल रहा है. How were you able to foresee कि पाकिस्तान में जाकर एक ऐसा पौधा लगाया जाए IT का, given कि हम हमेशा से developing country की category में आते हैं, तो वो जो एक leap of faith है वो आपने कैसे लिया? What was that triggering point that made you do this?
While I was consulting one of the largest companies of Australia, I have to face many Indian IT companies coming in and offering their services to my company. For me, it was frustrating not to see a Pakistani company coming in offering similar services. Because we are very smart people. I always believed, and we are. So I couldn't understand what was wrong with, because I was away from Pakistan for too long. And for 3 years, I was constantly frustrated with this, with what I saw. And that frustration just took over me, and decided to just pick up my family and come back to Lahore with nothing in my pocket, because I'm not a saver. I don't save. I live on what I earn. It's my personality, not save at all. So with nothing in my pocket, I decided to move back to Lahore with the dream, कह लीजिए आप.
तो इस लिहाज से your love for country was still very much active, given कि आप 22 साल से मुल्क से बाहर थे.
Nothing can take away your Pakistani in you. Nothing can take away that. Doesn't matter how long we live overseas, how long we live away from Pakistan, for that matter Lahore है.
बिल्कुल.
It doesn't, you will never take it out of your system. So that was there. That was not question my love for Pakistan. आपने जो क्वेश्चन किया बहुत वैलिड है आपका. I had no visibility कि क्या होगा. बिल्कुल zero. I had no social network in Pakistan because being away for too long. Nobody knew me when I came back to Lahore. But just मेरा ख्याल है कि मैं बताऊँ नहीं आपको. जब आपकी नियत होती है ना अच्छी, यकीन कीजिए, amazing miracles happen in your life. And I felt because मेरा intention बड़ा वो था कि ऐसी चीज़ बनाए, ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाए, ऐसी इंटरप्राइज आप बिल्ड कीजिए जो truly global हो. And things started happening. It's unbelievable how जो नेटसोल की स्टोरी है वो एक अमेजिंग मिरेकल बेस्ड है कि फेस बाय फेस थिंग्स हैपन टू अस. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाऊँ. 10 साल हो गए नेटसोल को बने हुए, एंड माशाल्लाह बाय देन वी हैव अचीव्ड enough customers around the world, and yes, we got customer in Australia, जो मेरा ड्रीम था. तो I went to Australia to meet my team, क्योंकि टीम एक सॉफ्टवेयर काम करी थी कस्टमर के लिए. तो I took them out for lunch. हम लोग KFC में बैठे हैं, 10 बच्चे पाकिस्तानी मेरे साथ बैठे हैं और मैं बैठा हूँ और हम बातें कर रहे हैं. We're very happy. And suddenly I go very quiet. I'm just very quiet and my face is just lost. तो एक बच्चे SG, everybody calls me SG. SG, what happened? अभी तो आप बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, आप you just very quiet. मैंने कहा, do you realize what's happening today? कहते हो, मैंने कहा, the dream I took to Pakistan, I left Australia because I was frustrated कि पाकिस्तानी कंपनी को आके, and look here today what we did, exactly what I dreamt. That here you are from Pakistan, a company from Pakistan came to Australia, giving the software made in Pakistan, providing the service which my neighbors used to do. This dream has come true. And I had moist eyes, and I was, and everybody got the same.
In your younger years, you worked on different ventures, और फिर वो fail भी होते रहे, and you kept on going. फिर job भी की. जो एक अपना कह लें एक entrepreneurial जो एक vision होता है, वो शुरू से था या वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता experiences के साथ आपने सोचा कि नहीं, eventually I want to do my own thing. What inspired you to move from a job to do your own thing? एक वो जो एक होता है ना कि शुरू से था या आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपने with experiences learn किया कि it's better to have my own thing.
I believe there are 2 types of people in the world. One are born entrepreneur, others convert themselves into entrepreneur.
Sahi.
I was a born entrepreneur.
You were a born entrepreneur.
My father, he was an entrepreneur from ground up. He built something for us from nothing. He was a man who worked hard. He brought us from Bahawalpur, a small city, to Lahore 60 years ago, simply because he wanted us to have a good life. And I saw him struggle to build something. So from very young age, I was watching my father, how he was struggling to build something. Always in business, not the job. He never did a job in his life. He will just do things, build things out. So yeah, entrepreneurship was in me, in my genes.
From the very core.
जिंदगी का हिस्सा. देखिए ना कितना बड़ा रिस्क है कि आप अच्छी बड़ी जिंदगी आपकी स्टेबल है.
Australia is a
stable country, and you decide to uproot yourself with nothing in your savings and come back to a country which you have been away for 22 years and you dream about building something which will be global, very risky.
अच्छा, जैसे you've been telling us कि सेटल थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, फैमिली की भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, इंसान सोचता है कि अब मैं आ रहा हूँ, मेरे पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. सो यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द वेरी स्क्रैच. अगर हम देखें पाकिस्तान में, अगर आप आएँ सोशली विद योर सोशल टाइज, सेविंग्स भी आपकी मिनिमल थी. इन सब चीज़ों को देखते हुए अपने अंदर ये मोटिवेशन लाना, इतनी स्ट्रगल करने की, ये मोटिवेशन आप कहाँ से लाते थे अपने अंदर?
तो इसका जवाब हमें उसी में मिल जाएगा कि मेरी जो बेचैनी कह लीजिए आप, उससे मेरी फ्रस्ट्रेशन कह लीजिए अपने आप से कि जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ इसमें मेरे लिए तो है, बट इज देयर मोर इन माई लाइफ टू डू मोर देन माई सेल्फ. That was the key for me to try at least take the risk of uprooting my family and coming to Pakistan. And वो frustration, I think for if you look back, it worked well in my favor क्योंकि जो intentions थी कि कुछ ऐसा build करना है जो global हो जाए, तो मेरी focus भी उसी पे रहा. Very early जब मैंने कंपनी बनाई तो total focus international market पे रहा और things worked out phase wise.
Challenges भी बहुत face किए होंगे आपने.
बहुत ज़्यादा, आप यकीन कीजिए.
How did you deal with them? क्या कैसे
जब
determined रहते थे?
जब कंपनी बन गई and it 5 years गुजर गए and suddenly एक पीरियड आया था, उसे .com क्रैश कहते हैं. ये आपके से पहले की बात है. वहाँ मार्केट पूरी आईटी की क्रैश हो गई. ऑल द बिजनेस वेंट टू जीरो क्योंकि सडनली बड़ी कंपनीज ने आईटी सर्विसेज को रोक दिया.
अच्छा.
देयर वाज शिफ्ट in technology and we were in thick of that period where we had a lot of customers, we had a good revenue and suddenly stopped zero.
Okay.
Now you have got 200 people working for you and your revenue is now zero, nil.
What did you do, or what was your
and
reaction?
What do you do? I mean those days every night you don't knew कि next day आप ऑफिस खोलेंगे या नहीं खोलेंगे या लोगों को सर्विस देंगे. Every morning I would wake up and I'd think about कि मैं ऑफिस जाऊँगा. I said नहीं, I have to because those 200 people
looking at
are
you.
waiting for me. And I cannot not go to office. I have to go to office. And एक दिन I have never missed my salary of my people, never.
अच्छा.
Touch wood. But once ये बात कोई 16 साल पहले की बात है, 16 years ago. There was nothing coming from any customer at all. And we were approaching that dreaded first of the month. And every day I'll check with my finance manager, यार, we were expecting payments. नहीं sir. And वो मुझे कहा जी सर पेमेंट आएगी भी नहीं क्योंकि जिस तरह का साइकिल था. And I could not, fathom कि हम सैलरी देंगे. And 29th को he just called me कि SG good news for you. मैं कहा we got a payment. मैं कहा कौन सी? सर कोई पेमेंट नहीं, वो आई है जिसका हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे.
अच्छा.
One which was not in our book, it will come now. I just look at the nature and say, see, nature is.
That's how universe conspires to make things easy for people with positive intentions.
It was conspiracy to make sure I don't fail. And that, I cannot forget that day.
अच्छा, जैसे आप पाकिस्तान में आए, नेटसोल पे काम शुरू किया फ्रॉम द वेरी स्क्रैच और एफर्ट, स्ट्रगल, एक फेज़ चला होगा. कोई ऐसा एक मोमेंट या ऐसा एक प्रोजेक्ट जो आपको मिला हो और आपको लगा हो कि आई एम ऑन द राइट ट्रैक?
एक वाक़या तो बिल्कुल शुरू का, when I opened the office and I'm going to office every day and I'm going out, we are 3 people in the office only. एक मेरा सफाई वाला, एक मैं हूँ, एक मेरे एडमिन मैनेजर हैं, हम तीनों ही हैं और अभी कोई काम तो है नहीं, तो मैं क्या हायर करूँ. 1 month pass, 2 months pass, 3 months pass और कोई बिजनेस नहीं है. मैं ऑफिस में बैठा रहता था घंटों एंड वेट करूँगी कॉल ही आ जाए, कोई घंटी बज जाए. सो आई कॉल माई वाइफ एंड सेड टू हर कि यार काम कर यार, तो रोज़ सुना मुझे कोई 2 दफ़ा फ़ोन मेरे कॉल किया कर.
अच्छा.
वाई तुम, मैं कहा यार एटलीस्ट बेल तो बजेगी. फीलिंग कि कोई कॉल कर रहा है,
कोई कॉल कर रहा है.
सो रिकॉर्ड,
कोई हलचल हो रही है.
एग्जैक्टली ना, कुछ आवाज़ है. तो वही हुआ कि उससे करनी कर दी और मैं हाँ क्या कुछ नहीं, बाय बाय 2 दफ़ा. एंड देन वन डे फोन रैंग.
ओके.
एंड मैं बड़ा सस्पेंस क्रिएट करता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, उसको देख रहा हूँ. आई पिक्ड अप, इट वाजंट माय वाइफ, इट वाज अ कॉल फ्रॉम थाईलैंड my brother Naeem, was calling and he was in Thailand. He was also IT guy. तो मुझसे oh Salim, how's your business going? मैंने कहा very well. मेरी भी गुजरता है. Are you busy? मैंने कहा very busy. Time ही नहीं मेरे पास.
सही.
कहता अच्छा, I thought that maybe you can do something for us. मैं उठ के बैठ गया. मैं उठ के बैठ गया. मैंने कहा अच्छा नहीं, I can take time out for you. So he asked me to do some service for his company, and that was a historic call.
Okay.
So हो गया, हमने we got that contract, we got that business, and I did that service. इस दौरान मैं इसी कस्टमर से मैं परसू की तरह के मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट का मौका दीजिए. I'm a good software development company. I'm not a services company. So पीरियड गुजर गया. They will not. I mean, they had nothing to. मैं बहुत तंग करता था इनको सिंगापुर में ऑफिस था इनका. एंड यू नो, आप यकीन कीजिए, मैं महीने में 2 दफ़ा आई विल टेक अ फ्लाइट, चेंज इन एयरपोर्ट, गो टू माई कस्टमर ऑफिस एंड जस्ट से हेलो टू माई guy CIO. Just say hello to him. And he say, why are you here? I say, I'm just saying hello to you. I like you. And so we'll have lunch together. Then I'll come back same day because I could not afford the hotels. It's too costly. I will do that every 2 weeks and I will do it without staying because hotels were expensive. I didn't have the money. वो बंदा तंग आ गया मुझसे. He got tired and he was polite. He would not say कि नहीं आओ तुम. So one day then I was in a car and I got this call. And he's a German guy and he's a funny guy. He said, okay, Salim, how are you? I'm fine. You keep coming to Singapore and you keep telling me you can do a software development work. Can you really do it? I said, yes. He said, okay, I've got something for you.
अच्छा.
So मैंने डायरी में लिखी एक लाइन, 1997 की डायरी है, I think May, कि I got this call. Is this what I was waiting for? बड़ी prophetic word है. That's exactly what I was doing. That software will change the company today, but we develop a software, mashallah.
That was a game changer, basically.
Totally life changer for the company and for me. And somehow I will get that diary out. It's just one-liner. Is this what I was waiting for? This call? That was the call.
तो थोड़ा सा हमें अपने ग्लोबल प्रेजेंस का बताएं, कुछ ग्लोबल प्रोजेक्ट्स का बताएं जो करंटली चल रहे हों.
Mashallah, we are truly global. We have 9 global centers. We believe in being close to our customers.
जनरली आपका मैनेजमेंट स्टाइल क्या है?
Hire the best people. Don't shortchange them in their financials and then trust them.
कैसे नए आइडियाज़ जनरेट करते हैं? किन चीज़ों से इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं?
The life was easier 10 years ago. Change was slow.
So as you were telling us that you always envisioned for NetSol to become global. So, and very proudly we can also say that it's the only Pakistani company जो New York Stock Exchange पे trade होती है. तो थोड़ा सा हमें अपने global presence का बताएं, कुछ global projects का बताएं जो currently चल रहे हों.
Mashallah, we are truly global. We have 9 global centers. We believe in being close to our customers. इस वक्त हमारा सबसे बड़ा कस्टमर बेस चाइना में है. एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि पूरा पाकिस्तान चाइना से इम्पोर्ट करता है और हम चाइना को एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं. वी जनरेट वेरी हाई रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम चाइनीज़ मार्केट. हमारा सबसे बड़ा ऑफिस जो लाहौर के बाहर है वो बीजिंग में है. हमने एक्चुअली 90% ऑफ चाइनीज़ मार्केट हमने कैप्चर कर ली है ऑन आवर सॉफ्टवेयर. जो हमारी एक्सपर्टीज़ है, हमारी फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्टीज़ है, वो हमने पूरी कैप्चर कर ली है. Some of the biggest name in auto manufacturing, blue chip names from Germany and other countries are our customers. चाहे वो Japanese हैं या Germans हैं, they all our customers. They manage their portfolios of lending on our software. Portfolios are billions of dollars worth it. So we have a massive market stake in Chinese market. Then we are truly Asia में we are one of the main provider of the software. Australia, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, India, you name it.
Wow.
We provide our software to these countries, our services to go to these countries. North America में we have an office in Los Angeles. We have a major center in London जहाँ से हम पूरे यूरोप को सर्विस करते हैं. Bangkok में we have a sales office. Sydney में we have a service office. In Jakarta we have a service office. We have customers in Indonesia.
How do you manage the spread over? कैसे manage करते हैं? और generally आपका management style क्या है?
Hire the best people. Don't shortchange them in their financials. And then trust them. Let them do their job which you hired them for. You cannot grow if you want to be own yourself. Everything आप अपने खुद करनी है. But if you want to grow into an enterprise which is global, then you have to get the best people and then trust them and let them do the job. This has been my way of working day one when we started NetSol.
You give them the space and
Complete
leverage.
space, complete.
हमें अपने hiring procedures का भी बताएं और generally what do you look into a young professional? क्या ऐसी एक दो चीज़ें हैं जो trigger करती हैं कि this person should be hired? ऐसी कोई qualities या traits जो होने चाहिए young professionals?
बहुत clear है personality के traits. दो तरह के बच्चे आते हैं हमारे पास. एक है कि उनका GPA very high, they are very smart, they will be very good technically. We hire them and देखिए organization like ours is very merit driven because you cannot hire somebody who technically is not at par with others क्योंकि हर बच्चा excel करता है. Everyone we hire is excels. तो अगर आप एक वीक ले आएंगे किसी के कहने पे तो वो काम नहीं कर सकेगा, वो खुद ही नहीं कर सकेगा,
sustain ही नहीं कर सके,
खुद नहीं करेगा, वो खुद ही भाग जाएगा. So एक तो ये है कि आपका it has to be merit driven completely. I get a lot of requests from people for jobs. I send them for proper processing. मैं इतनी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ कि मैं लोगों को HR पे भेज दूँ कि आप इनका प्रोसेस कीजिए. एंड मेरा हमेशा ये होता है HR को कि प्लीज़ हायर देम ऑन मेरिट. मैं लिख के भेज देता हूँ कि मैं भेज रहा हूँ लेकिन इसका मतलब है कि आप उन्हें हायर कर लें. हायर देम ऑन मेरिट. इफ दे हैव मेरिट, लेट्स हायर देम. वी डू गेट पीपल हु आर नॉट व्हाट दे शो एंड व्हाट दे प्रेजेंट, दे आर नॉट दैट टेक्निकल. एंड देन अब तक कि मेरी अपनी ग्रुप है हाई सीनियर मैनेजमेंट का, एंड वी सिट डाउन, वी टॉक, दे नो कि दे कैनॉट जस्ट एग्री विद मी. द मोमेंट दे स्टार्ट एग्रीइंग विद मी, आई डोंट नीड देम because I haven't brought the team together because I'm the smartest. If I was the smartest, I will not need anyone at all.
And they need to bring their own vision to the table as well.
So anyone who start agreeing with me is a no-no in my kitchen cabinet, and they realize very quickly that SG will not just like for them to just say yes, oh SG you are very smart. I'm not smart.
Currently, how many employees are working for you in NetSol? और generally उसमें से कई होंगे जिन्होंने आपकी guidance और experience को learn करके उससे अपने ventures भी शुरू किए होंगे.
Very proud of that. Last 25 years, mashallah, we call them NetSolians.
अच्छा.
NetSolians are all around the world. After working with us for a few years, they are in demand because we have a very quality shop. We whatever we do is of quality. Either it's software development, either it's services, either it's management, either it's even grooming wise. We groom people well. We have some of the best customers in the world. So these kids get amazing experience dealing with the best customers in the world.
Definitely.
So 3-4 years work with NetSol, you made your life.
They get international exposure as well.
Nice exposure, and the sort of work we do with the customers is very intense. We have developed very complex software, very, very complex. So you work with us for 3-4 years, your life is made and you will be picked up.
You strive to make complex products and services and softwares. IT is again associated to changing trends and innovations and everything. कैसे नए ideas generate करते हैं, किन चीज़ों से inspiration लेते हैं to come up with state of the art projects and products?
The life was easier 10 years ago. Change was slow. So it's okay if अगर आपने कुछ change नहीं की for 2-3 years, you'll be fine. Not the case today. Today we have to constantly innovate. Today we have to make sure we are aware the trends out there. So definitely a challenge, but exciting challenge. We make sure we are aware of the changes in the world and the way business will change, the way consumer will change, how they will interact with the business. So वो हमारा एक challenge है. अगर मैं as a CEO नहीं देखता future को, तो NetSol will be in trouble in few years.
But don't you think now with the digital evolution, it's the most exciting phase for your industry because अब जिस तरह से digital evolution हो गया है और लोग जितने aware हो गए हैं और जितने accepting हो गए हैं, everyone knows that my business needs this digital presence to sustain. So I think that's what do you think? Isn't it a very exciting time?
So what you're saying is now I don't have to sell. Now people buy.
Yeah.
Before I used to go out and try to sell them and nobody will buy because they will not
Yeah, now people are gonna come rushing to you.
Now, what I've seen the amazing change, obviously, I knew this will happen. This is why I went into computing. I was sure that we will need the machines to be more efficient. I knew that. In Pakistan, we delayed, हमने delay किया मशीन को एक्सेप्ट करने से कि हमारा हाल था हम इसके बगैर काम कर सकते हैं,
चलता जाएगा.
ये कोविड-19 ने पूरी चेंज कर दी हमारा परसेप्शन. इवन पाकिस्तान में भी आप देखिए
पेंडेमिक ने हर बिजनेस को डिफरेंट तरह से अफेक्ट किया है, बट आई फील दैट पेंडेमिक हैज़ गिवन राइज टू द डिजिटल एंड द ई कॉमर्स वर्ल्ड. व्हाट इज़ योर टेक ऑन इट और कैसे आपने इसको डील किया फिर?
It has just made sure that we accept the ultimate, which is digitalization. We were not. And we, as I said, we were delaying कि यार ठीक है इसके बाद गुजर सकता है. Not the case. COVID-19 has made sure that we accept the reality, which is digitalization of our life, our economy, our behavior, our social behavior. That's all in now. So COVID-19 is a game changer completely. We were lucky. We didn't have too much to lose because sort of business we were in, the customers continue to do business with us.
Because only the digital aspect was alive during the lockdowns and the quarantines. मतलब shopping भी हो रही है, grocery भी आ रही है, अगर कुछ भी हो रहा है, everything was digital, online. So that has been great.
And with COVID-19 gradually slowing down, life will not change. It will not go back. Even after COVID-19 is subsidized, still a percentage will not come to office. They will work from home.
They would prefer
This
that.
is a huge change.
And this change is really good in the sense for our female workforce also, because बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा होता है कि ख़वातीन के कुछ ऐसे responsibilities होते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो अपना profession नहीं carry कर पाती. So I think this is also a very good evolution. And also, what is your take on female empowerment और आपकी जो company है वो hiring में कितना preference देती है?
I encourage gender balance. It's very important for any environment. So we had a good number of female working. This is about 13 years ago. एक बच्ची मेरे पास आई, मेरे ऑफिस में नॉक किया, उसने कि सर आई वांट टू सी यू. And she said कि sir this is my last day. I said why? I mean you've done such a good job and you're happy. You know sir, you know I have a baby now and I cannot come to office because there's no way to take care of my baby at home. So I said that's the only reason. She said yeah. I said just wait. So I called my admin guy. I said यार वो हमारा एक कमरा खाली पड़ा हुआ है. कहता है देखो उसमें मैट्रेसेस को एक कॉट रख दो और इस बेबी को उस कमरे में ले जाओ.
So you developed a
So I
nursery
told
there,
her
which
कि
is
no you
great.
can't leave. Baby is taken care. Come to office tomorrow. Now that one baby became a daycare center. Now we had a complete daycare center with over 60 babies at one given time.
Which
and
is great.
These 60 mothers are able to work.
Wow. अच्छा, after experiencing so much success and you've seen a lot of prosperous times आपने देखे हैं और आपको पाकिस्तान का बिल गेट्स भी कहा जाता है, इन सब बातों में how do you keep yourself motivated and grounded at the same time?
इसमें definitely it can go two ways.
Yeah.
It can hit you
Yeah.
and you just
It's only natural that sometimes it can get to your head that I've achieved so much and I've done so
it
much.
can. It's depend upon your personality because as I said earlier, I was lucky and there were so many mu'jizat and miracles in my life that I don't believe that I can put my head up. I cannot. For a moment I cannot. I believe that whatever I have achieved is not by my own work or my hard work. It's all plan of the nature for me to be here where I am. So that's very clear in my mind. So what do I do with it? Well, give back. Why I'm talking to you, I'm giving back. The fact when you were called, you people called me, I just said yes. I want to give back. I want to share whatever I have gone through with people. So I hope to see many more Salim Ghauris and many more Net Souls, and I believe that will happen. We have a very smart generation coming up. I met a young man a few years back, and in Karachi we were in an expo, and he said, I cannot tell you what you did for me. I said, what did I do? He said, you came to LUMS 10 years ago and you talked to us. Changed my life.
Wow.
Today I'm a very successful entrepreneur. For me, that was a reward. That's all I want. I was rewarded with those words. So for me, I think it's very rewarding to really share, and I want to continue that. I want to be available. I want to be visible. I want to share all my stories. There's so many stories.
Right.
Hundreds of stories I can share with you if you have 3-4 hours of recording.
If you have 3-4
but,
hours.
but they are rewarding.
अच्छा, when you are experiencing challenging times, और obviously आपके साथ एक इतनी बड़ी टीम होती है, आपकी workforce है, तो ऐसे मौके पर या ऐसे हालात में क्या आपकी अप्रोच होती है जिससे आपकी जो वर्कफोर्स है वो भी मोटिवेटेड रहे?
Every day is a challenge. We run a big company. We have many customers around the world. Things go wrong, and it's the leader's personality which either will help your team to stay positive, or they will go down because leader
बिल्कुल.
is looking down.
You're the captain of the ship basically.
So आपका posture नहीं बदल सकता. Doesn't matter how tough the time is. Doesn't matter how difficult the problem is. Doesn't matter how big a challenge you're facing. You have to stay positive with your team. Encourage them. Stay with them. Just be with them. Let them work. Don't second guess them. कई तो होता है कि कस्टमर का सिस्टम डाउन हो जाता है एंड उनका बिजनेस रुक जाता है एंड इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक श्योर कि उनका बिजनेस ना रुके. So teams huddles together and they work together to solve the problem. Those are the time when they need the leader to be very positive. Don't second guess them. Don't get upset. Don't get angry. अगर चीज़ solve नहीं हो रही, just be with them, and that is the key to the leadership role. You always have to be with them, supporting them, not getting upset, not losing yourself. Because once you lose yourself, your team will lose it. So when I do training देता हूँ मैं future leaders को तो एक बात कहता हूँ, देखो बात सुनो. When you are leading a team, and when things go right and your project is successful, who will get the credit? सब देखते हैं, make your team, not you.
Yeah, definitely.
Give the credit to your team, not to yourself. Step back, let them enjoy the glory. Let them take the praise. Just step back, let them.
This approach is hard to find though. ये कम ही नजर आती है.
It works. And when things go wrong, अपनी टीम को छुपा दो, खुद सामने आ जाओ. Okay, I'm responsible. You have given me the task to do it. We have not been able to do it, and I am the reason. You do that, people will love you, people will support you, and you'll be very successful.
And they would want to be a part of your organization.
Your team and your organization. And this is simple. Just keep doing it, and you will see how much love and respect you will get, and people will work for you. People will respect you. That's very well.
Who has been that one person or a personality जिसको देख के आप inspire हुए हो?
I really mean it. It's my father. उनकी story मुझसे आगे है क्योंकि he was the real risk taker in his life.
कैसे अपने आप को breather देते हैं?
Two things important in life. One is कि ये जो stress है ये आपकी family का नहीं है.
What is your idea of happiness?
We must make sure that we balance our time out.
What is your take on corporate social responsibility, and is NetSol in any way contributing to that?
हमने एक चीज़ शुरू की. हमारे पास दो तरह के लोग काम करते हैं. एक obviously technical है, high end at a very high financial packages. एक है services support team, few hundred people who support us services. We have few years back we decided to take care of education of their children. Every child of a service provider to NetSol will be educated. Doesn't matter where they live, because most of them they live without their families in Lahore. Their families live in all over Pakistan. So my HR department has now found schools for these children everywhere in Pakistan, and we pay the fees from here. Every child will get education to whatever level they want to go to. From kindergarten to PhD, we will support it 100%. This is what NetSol is doing. That's one aspect for our people. But surely we feel responsible for society, we feel responsible for people around us, and we do very quietly. Obviously, this is the way charity should be done. As NetSol and as a family, Wari family, we do understand our responsibility.
And what is your take on the measures that the government is currently taking? या आपके opinion में कोई ऐसे steps जो government को मज़ीद लेने चाहिए to support your IT industry, which is the future, which is the present?
They need to take digitalization seriously, which they are. They digitize. We get a lot of work to do. We get new kits to come out. We get new companies to build. Definitely. So only thing they should do is focus on their automation and digitalization. We will inshallah keep building, this industry is maturing up, industry is getting really good. Pakistan is now very visible. Let me tell you what, Pakistan is very visible in the world. We are recognized as an IT country now, which we were not 10 years ago. Today we are IT country, and Pakistani kids are doing tremendously well.
In this entire journey of yours so far, कोई ऐसा professionally कोई ऐसा decision जो आपको लेना बहुत मुश्किल लगता हो, या maybe वो ऐसा भी decision हो सकता है जो आपको बार बार लेना पड़ता हो, वो आपको कौन सा ऐसा लगता है, या कोई ऐसा moment जो आपके लिए बहुत professionally difficult रहा हो?
एक decision, सिर्फ एक, बाकी मैं सब कुछ फेस कर सकता हूँ. There are times when things go bad, when business जिस तरह ये कोविड-19 था शुरू में, इससे पहले एक 2008 में फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस आया था बहुत सीरियस, and business stopped, customers were not spending money on IT. And that is the time when your board tells you to cut people.
But it must be so hard to manage.
It's heartbreaking for me. It is heartbreaking for me. I will do everything else. I'll cut my own package, I'll cut my own salary, I'll cut my own job, but I will not let people go. And that has been my fight with my board many times. And alhamdulillah, I came out top of that. But that's one decision I do not want to take. I do not want. Yes, people are let go for their performance. People are let go on merit. But people will not let go because हमारा business slow गया. वो मेरी जिम्मेदारी थी, उनकी नहीं थी.
बिल्कुल.
I am the CEO. I'm responsible to bring business. I did not bring business. It's not their fault. So this one decision I will not take happily. I will not be.
And it's always difficult.
Emotionally, I'll be broken. Emotionally, if we do that. And इसमें बड़ी battles लड़ चुका हूँ.
आप इतने लोगों के लिए inspiration हैं. Who has been your inspiration? Who has been that one person or a personality जिसको देख के आप inspire हुए हो life में, professionally, personally?
Most people will say that, but I really mean it. It's my father. उनकी story मुझसे आगे है क्योंकि he was the real risk taker in his life. That man was amazing in his belief for himself that, yes, I can do it. So that I can do came from him in me. There are many other people. There's one German guy, my very first customer. That guy changed my life. He became my friend. We became very good friends. Today we are still. He retired long time ago, and I call him my godfather.
You have a great circle of friends and family who have supported you throughout. उसके अलावा ये बताएं, just like personal aspect से, कि जब चीज़ें बहुत stressful हो जाती हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा कह लें you're working 24/7 and a lot of stress is going on, कैसे अपने आप को breather देते हैं, break लेना हो, थोड़ा अपने आप को easy करना हो, तो what do you do for that?
Two things important in life. One is कि ये जो stress है ये आपकी family का नहीं है. Because you made a promise to your family that you will look after them. So whatever you do in your business, it's yours to take in yourself and not put it on your family. That's very important. Second, I really look after physical health myself. I really go to gym 5 days a week, really rough it out. I believe that is the key.
That also helps your mental health as well.
More so mental, not physical. It's more mental. To me, my gymming is more mental than my physical. It takes out the negative stress from your body. You do it in the morning, you are whole new person, whole day, you have more energy than anybody else will have.
So you've achieved so much in your life and you have everything, alhamdulillah. So, but still, what is your idea of happiness? What is your idea on that?
I believe that my early part of life I've missed out on my children. Not anymore. We must make sure that we balance our time out.
Bilkul.
I want to make sure that I work enough, and I don't want to add more businesses in my life. I don't have more desires as such. I want to continue with this company, make it inshallah. When we say bigger, that doesn't mean that I need to do more work. I need to make sure we have the right people to work for us. So my happiness is with my family.
और कैसे balance करते हैं work life, personal life? How do you manage it?
You need to make sure your time is divided properly in your daytime. Don't take extra. मैं extra activity लेता ही नहीं हूँ. Earlier I used to meet a lot of people. I've cut down that completely. I've cut down meeting people. No need to meet people, but meet where I can give something away. That's how I meet people now. मैं weekend में नहीं लेता appointments. Totally मैंने cut down कर दिया. Weekend it's kids time.
It's for family.
It's for family. ये पहले weekends भी काम किया, 7 days काम किया, even nuts with that. No.
And I think that's fair enough. With the
Not-
amount of struggle and hard work.
बहुत
that
लोग
you've
अफसर हो जाते हैं क्योंकि बहुत से सेमिनार्स एंड फोरम्स होते हैं वीकेंड में, मैं कहता हूँ यार आई एम सॉरी, आप करें मैं नहीं आऊँगा, यू वांट मी डू
Weekdays.
वीकडेज, आई एम हैप्पी टू सी दैट्स
Yeah.
वेयर आई वर्क, बट वीकेंड्स आर माय फैमिली टाइम, आई वांट टू एंजॉय देम।
और ये बताएं कि गुस्सा आता है आपको, और अगर आता है तो उसको कैसे कोप अप करते हैं, हाउ डू यू मैनेज इट?
समहाउ ये जो मैंने रूटीन बनाई है ना अपनी, सुबह उठ के निकल जाना और अपने आप को एक्सर्ट करना, उससे गुस्सा सारा निकल जाता है। मेरी नेचर में है टू लुक एट द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ पीपल एंड इग्नोर द वीकनेसेस, दैट मेक्स इट ईजियर टू नॉट गेट एंग्री। पीपल डू थिंग्स अराउंड यू, you just accept them as they are. The moment we accept people as they are, आपको गुस्सा नहीं आएगा, आप you will know कि यार इससे ये ऐसा ही करेगा, बड़ा easy हो जाता है. So easier when you accept people. I expect less than what they can deliver. That way I'm not disappointed. That's one. Second, I do accept their personalities. Everybody has a personality. You accept their personality, आपको गुस्सा नहीं आएगा.
अच्छा, जनरली तो आपसे जितनी मेरी गुफ्तगू हुई है उसमें मैंने यही गेज किया है कि you've been on the street smart side, but are you into reading books?
Oh yes.
और कोई आपकी एक दो फेवरेट बुक्स या कोई ऑथर जिसको आप बहुत
एक बुक मैं बहुत रिकमेंड करता हूँ सबको, वो है रिच डैड पुअर डैड. I read that very early in my life, and that is a game changer for people to financially manage yourself. There are many books in business, and I do read. I'm a reader. I read, and I'm a history reader. I love history. So yes, I do enjoy reading a lot. I do tell the youth, do read. Get the habit of reading. We have smart devices. You can use those to read. I do read a lot. I like that.
So coming towards wrapping it all up, अगर हम ये कहें कि आपकी इस पूरी जर्नी ने आपको क्या सिखाया है in a nutshell, वो क्या होगा? Humbleness.
आप कुछ नहीं है, ये यकीन कीजिए, आप कुछ प्लान कर लीजिए, the nature will change your plans and you will not have control. So when you don't have a control, you can nothing be but humble. Power is not with you. Power lies with somebody else. And the moment you accept that you are not powerful, doesn't matter आप क्या बने फिरते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
You have to be humble. That's the thing.
So humble is the key word to take.
It is not the key word. It is the word.
It is the word, सही. That's a better way to put it. और एक ऐसा मैसेज जो आप यंग प्रोफेशनल्स को, और जो भी हमारी यंगर जनरेशन है, जो पढ़ रहे हैं, जो अभी अपने करियर्स शुरू करेंगे या एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनना चाहते हैं, what would you say to them?
Do what makes you happy. It's a very sad world. And we lose our happiness going after dreams and ideas which will make us sad and not happy. मैं बार बार कहता हूँ ठीक है, have big dreams, but take steps. Have steps in your life, and then enjoy each step success. You want to go to moon? Get out of your bed first. So message is very clear. Live your life. Yes, have big dreams like SG, but then SG has a long journey behind it. SG did not become SG of today in 5 or 10 years.
It has been a great conversation. I have learned so much. The audience is going to learn so much. It's been very inspiring. Thank you so very much for taking the time out and giving us such amazing life lessons of yours. It was truly great.
Thank you very much for coming. God bless you.
So this was one amazing conversation we had with Mr. Salim Ghauri. I truly learned so much today, and I'm sure you guys must have enjoyed thoroughly. For more such knowledgeable conversations, keep on watching our show, Meet the CEO, only on Discover Pakistan.